Hello and welcome. Today it's time to talk about MLOps. You may have seen the term before, maybe on LinkedIn job posts, maybe in tech blogs. But what does it really mean? Let me to explain in simply. MLOps stands for Machine Learning Operations. It's a mix of machine learning, which means building models that learn from data, and ops, which comes from DevOps, the set of practices used to manage software systems in production. So, just like DevOps helps developer push code to production faster and safer, MLOps helps data science team move machine learning models into production and keep them working correctly at scale. That means MLOps is not just about tools. It's a practice, a way of working, and it's a growing field with high demand. Because today, more and more companies want to use machine learning in real business. But here is the truth. Building models in a laptop is not the same as running it in production. Many models never make it past the prototype stage. Why? Because they are not integrated. They are not monitored. They break when data changes. Or they are too hard to update, test, or explain. That's where MLOps comes in. MLOps engineers are the people who bridge the gap between data science and engineering. They help move models from working once to working every day. They build and maintain data pipelines, model training, workflows, deployment systems, monitoring tools, infrastructure development, etc. etc. If the data scientist is like a researcher, the MLOps engineer is like a builder, the one who turns an idea into a reliable system. In simple terms, you don't build the model from scratch. You make sure the model can live and evolve in production. You make it repeatable, scalable, adaptable, and safe. Your responsibilities may include a lot: setting up training pipelines, versioning datasets and models, automation model testing and validation, deploying models to production environment, monitoring models performance and data drift, scheduling retraining when needed, make sure sensitive data is protected, uh, tracking compliance and explainability. It's a lot, I know. But that's also what makes the role so interesting. You had to work with cloud, DevOps, data, security, APIs, and also understand machine learning models at a high level, of course. And you don't need to be an expert in all of it at once. You grow step by step, building real skills along the way. Now, let's talk about opportunities. MLOps is one of the fastest growing job areas in AI. Companies across banking, healthcare, retail, energy, and of course tech are hiring people who understand how to put AI into production. Salaries are often higher than many traditional DevOps or backend roles, especially if you can combine cloud, automation, and machine learning knowledge. But beyond the salary, it's about impact. You are not just maintaining systems, you are enabling smarter decisions, better services, and more efficient teams. You're helping make sure AI doesn't just exist in theory, but actually works in real life. Good luck and see you in the next lecture.